Welcome back to 3 Minute Studio. Today, we're diving into the exact moment one naturalist uncovered the secret behind all life on Earth. This is the story of Charles Darwin and his revolutionary theory of evolution by natural selection. It all started in 1831, when a young, curious Charles Darwin boarded a small survey ship, the HMS Beagle. He was only 22 years old, not yet a famous scientist or an expert, just a passionate observer of the natural world. For 5 long years, Darwin traveled across oceans, exploring coastlines, trekking through rainforests, and climbing volcanic islands. Along the way, he collected countless fossils, studied unique plants, observed fascinating animals, and filled notebook after notebook with his findings. He didn't know it yet, but he was slowly gathering the puzzle pieces to one of the greatest ideas in the history of biology. The aha moment happened in the remote Galápagos Islands. Darwin noticed something peculiar. The finches on different islands had strikingly different beaks. Some were long and slender, others were short and thick, each one perfectly adapted to a specific type of food available on its island. Despite these differences, it was clear they were all related. This made Darwin wonder, why would similar birds evolve into such different forms? That's when it hit him. Species weren't fixed or unchanging, they adapted over time. Tiny, random variations gave some individuals an advantage, helping them survive and reproduce. Those survivors would then pass their successful traits on to the next generation. Nature was essentially selecting the best traits for survival. Darwin called this powerful process natural selection. When he returned to England, Darwin spent years poring over his notes and the specimens he'd collected. He meticulously compared living animals with ancient fossils, and soon, a clear pattern began to emerge everywhere he looked. He realized that small changes accumulate over vast stretches of time. Useful traits become more common in a population, and species gradually adapt to their environments. Eventually, over millions of years, these small changes could lead to the formation of entirely new species. This was evolution, a slow, powerful, and unstoppable force. In 1859, Darwin finally published his groundbreaking book on the origin of species. The world was absolutely stunned. Darwin's theory completely revolutionized science. It provided a powerful explanation for the incredible diversity of life, the rise and fall of ancient species, and our own place within the grand tapestry of nature. At first, many people rejected his ideas, as they challenged long-held beliefs. But over time, overwhelming evidence from fossils, genetics, and anatomy all pointed to the same conclusion: Darwin was right. Today, evolution by natural selection is the cornerstone of modern biology. Charles Darwin didn't just write a book, he gave us a completely new way to understand life itself. Thanks for watching 3 Minute Studio. If you enjoyed this, like the video, comment with what you'd like to see next, and subscribe for more fascinating stories in just 3 minutes.